Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to solve a question that is a Java program for triangle star pattern. To how to print this pattern. For that, what you needed, first of all, you need two for loop. First loop, which represent the rows, and the second loop, inner loop, which represent the column. So what will be the condition to print the triangle? So as you can see here, in the first row, what we have of one star means the condition is when the I is equal to 1 and the inner loop, the j should less than is equal to I. In the first iteration, what we have in the I is 1 and 1 is j is equal to 1. As you can see here, j is equal to 1 is less than is equal to I. It means the condition is true. What you need to do? You have to print the star. In the same way, in the second iterations, what we have are 2. The I becomes 2. So I is equal to and j is less than is equal to I is our conditions. So what we have in the j is equal to 2. In the second iteration, j becomes 2. And the 2 is less than is equal to I. What you need to do? You have to star in the row of 2. I is equal to 2. Let's print it to 2 star. To how to implement this, first of all, need one variable, sorry, one uh, main method. Inside of main method, need one variables int and is equal to, let's take 6. Okay. Then need a for loop which represent the I. So which represent the row int I is equal to 1. I should less than is equal to n I plus plus. Inside of for loop, this is becomes the outer loop. Inside of outer loop, you need inner loop. That is a for int j is equal to 1, starting from the 1, and j should less than is equal to I is our conditions, and j plus plus. So the condition is j is less than is equal to I. In the every iterations, what they are checking, when the j is less than is equal to I, what you need to do, you have to print the star. So that is why here the explanation is when the j is less than is equal to I means when the first iteration j becomes the 1, the 1 is less than is equal to I. That is why it will be printing the star. Same as the second iteration, third iteration, four iterations, and 5 iterations. What you need to do, just this out, print a star. Make sure it is a print statement instead of println, and come out this inner for loop. Print the next line. Sorry, let's go. Why is the next line? Let me comment out. Move to the next line. After here after each row. Okay. So our program is done. Let's run this program and see what we will getting. Run it. We will get the triangle of the star pattern. See, our program is working fine. So this is the way of you can solve this problem. So that's all about in this videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.